Let's first get that definition.
Yeah.
And we go to Daniel 7, verse 17 and 23. These great beasts, which are four kings, which shall rise out of the earth. Thus he said, the fourth beast shall be the fourth kingdom upon earth. So let's not dive into what it's saying here. I just want to show that a beast is a kingdom. Or a kingdom. Yeah.
Yes, and again, this is so important to let the Bible interpret itself, because when I look at this, I remember watching a documentary when I was still in the Pentecostal church about this beast that rises out of the sea. And in that documentary, they said, but it's a literal beast that is going to come out of the sea. And I'm like, okay, that is going to be pretty amazing and scary at the same time, because how is this going to look? It's something completely different.